Now students, we will discuss some questions of exercise 2A of RS Agarwal. Here I wrote few questions. First question is find coefficient of x cube in the expression 2x minus 3 plus x cube. You can see here this polynomial contains three terms 2x minus 3 and plus x cube. So coefficient of x cube is the number attached with x cube. You can see nothing is there, so it is 1. 1 into x cube we can write. So coefficient of x cube in the given expression is plus 1. Second question is find coefficient of x square in x to the power 4 minus 1. You can see in the given expression there is no x square term. So we can write coefficient of x square is 0. See question number 3. In this question we have to find constant term in the given expression, which is pi by 2 x square plus 7x minus 2 by 5 pi. You can see in this expression last term x is not attached. So constant term will be the last term in which you can see no x is there. So constant term in the given expression is minus 2 by 5 pi. One more question is give an example of monomial of degree 35. We know monomial is a polynomial having only one term. Degree is 35. We can write z to the power 35. You can see only one term is there and its power is 35. So it is a monomial of degree 35. If question says write a binomial of degree 35, what we can write? We can write x to the power 35 plus 1. You can see two terms are there, so it will become binomial and degree is 35. Now students, we will see another topic of polynomial, that is value of a polynomial. The value of a polynomial px at x is equal to alpha is obtained by putting x is equal to alpha in px, and it is denoted by p of alpha. Like here I gave you one example. If px is equal to 2x minus 3 and we have to find its value at x is equal to 2, then at the place of x we will put 2. So p of 2, in this side also, right hand side also, at the place of x we will put 2. So 2 into 2 minus 3. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Suppose we have to find the value of px. Px is 3x square minus 5x plus 6. We have to find its value at the point x is equal to minus 1. So at the place of x we will put minus 1 and we will calculate p of minus 1. So since we have substituted the value of x minus 1 in left hand side, in the right hand side also we will do the same. At the place of x let us put minus 1. So it is 3 multiplied by minus 1 square minus 5 at the place of x minus 1 plus 6. When you multiply, minus 1 square is 1. So 3 multiplied by 1 minus minus plus 5 into 1 is 5 plus 6. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 5 plus 6. When these all the 3 will be added, 3 plus 5 plus 6, that is 14. So we got the value of px at the place x is equal to minus 1. The value of px is 14. Now students, we will see zeros of a polynomial. Let px be a polynomial and we are getting such value of x, so that we are putting p of alpha. This means we are getting a value of x as alpha in such a way that p of alpha is 0. Then alpha is said to be the 0 of the polynomial. If we are getting a value x in such a way that we will put the value of x in px and its value becomes 0. Suppose I am taking an example, px is equal to x minus 1. If at the place of x we are putting 1, it becomes 0. Let us put p of 1, calculate. At the place of x 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 will be 0. Any other value of x will not make it 0. If I am putting the value of x is 2 or 3 or 4, anything if we are putting at the place of x, it is never coming 0. So since only at the place x is equal to 1, px is becoming 0, hence x is equal to 1 is said to be the 0 of the polynomial px. Let us see few questions based on 0 of the polynomial. One question is find a zero of the polynomial px is equal to 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. For finding 0 of px, we have to solve the equation px is equal to 0. So px is 2x minus 1. Let us put the value over here. It is 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 1. When this minus 1 is shifting this side, it will become plus 1. So x is equal to 1 by 2. Now we will verify this. If at the place of x in px, we will put half, that is p of 1 by 2. We will have 2 into 1 by 2 at the place of x, 1 by 2 minus 1. You can see 2 into 1 by 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Hence x is equal to 1 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. See one more question. Find a 0 of the polynomial px is equal to 3x. Again, for finding a 0 of px, we will solve the equation px is equal to 0. This time at the place of px, we will put 3x. When you leave x this side, you will have 0 by 3, which is 0. So 0 of the polynomial px is the number 0. See students, one more question. Verify whether 2 and 0 are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x. You can see it is a quadratic polynomial because the maximum power of x is 2. So if a polynomial is quadratic, it will have 2 zeros. If a polynomial is cubic, it will have 3 zeros and so on. Here in this question, we have to verify whether 2 and 0 are the zeros of this polynomial or not. So let us check one by one. First we will write px is equal to x square minus 2x. Now at the place of x, we will put the value 2. Calculate p of 2. At the place of x, when we will put 2, we will have 2 square minus 2 into 2. So 2 square is 4 minus 4, that is 0. If we will calculate p of 0, it is coming 0 square minus 2 into 0, which is 0 minus 0, again 0. So we can see in both the cases, we can see the value of p of 2 and p of 0. Both are coming 0. Hence, 2 and 0, both are the zeros of px. Now students, you will do exercise 2.2 of NCERT book and exercise 2b of R.S. Agrawal book.